Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up zero GPS. Firstly, purchase a SIM card with an active internet plan. Ensure it supports SMS and GPRS. Insert the SIM into a phone and disable the SIM's pin lock. Power off the tracker and insert the SIM card carefully. Turn on the device on and let it connect to the network. Now configure the tracker to send data to GPS WOX servers. You'll typically need to set up commands via SMS to the tracker. Once the tracker is configured, it should begin sending location data to the GPS WOX platform. Log into your account to start monitoring in real time. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.